What is up, guys? It is your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and today's video is gonna be some kind of cool, something special. Super excited because Peter finally came back home from his little vacation, and I just got a Snapchat, and he said he's working on the Subaru, and he's gonna try to throw the motor in on the Subaru. So we're gonna go up by him, give him a hand, help him out, throw this boxer motor in this little bitch. Beep that word out. But we're gonna help him throw the motor in. Should be very interesting. I'm actually really excited. I wore my Likey loafers for this, so we're gonna be definitely working OSHA safe. Love to see it. So to Peter's house we go. And we have arrived. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh, we got Alzito. How's it feel to be sitting in there again?
Amazing, but I gotta figure out this clutch.
What, it's too weak or?
No, it doesn't keep time.
I'll get stuck sometimes.
Shit. Well, maybe there's no pressure in it.
Oh, you just built up the pressure just now?
No, it's easy.
Oh, shit. Is that the pedal getting stuck or the...
No, it just doesn't keep time.
Yeah, I don't think you got any pressure in there at all. You probably got to air it out. Yeah, I don't think you got anything in that little fucking reservoir.
Yeah, but I noticed that before.
Alright, so at the moment we are running into this issue where the turbo inlet has like this pipe. Goes like so. Goes in there, goes underneath the intake manifold off of the turbo. But obviously since Peter is a big baller and Mr. Big Dick, he has to get the biggest possible turbo that could fucking fit in the stock place of a Subaru. So we're trying to figure out. So we had to bend this. I don't even know what fucking hose this is. Some PCV, right? PCV. So we can route that, and then we actually snipped up, hopefully you can see that, we actually snipped up the hose because apparently you're supposed to, just so this could fit, because this is supposed to fit in way further, because when we had this in before, for example purposes, that bracket piece was just about yay far from there, so we have to get it to tuck in way more, way further. But the thing is everything is fucking in the way, so there's no way you could clock like twist the turbo like that way. No, right?
No, it's hard mounted.
But oh yeah, it's bolted. Okay.
It's stock location.
Yeah. So we're just gonna keep screwing around with this. Might have to slip to Home Depot, get some pliers or something like that, some extra long pliers just to grip it on, and figure it out from there.
We'll get it.
We'll get it by the end tonight. Alright, we're cutting the bracket. Slipping off. her off. Then we could move that hose over.
Mostly. So I could probably bend her up.
You want a flathead or?
I'd bend her up like this. Right? That's enough room.
Make some clearance back there.
And then worst case she'll bend back. She's already here.
Alright, cool. We got Peter under the car. The hose is on. As you guys can see, the perfection that you can see right here. We jerry rigged the fuck out of it, but it works. It fits. And what happens if it fits, Peter?
It ships.
Exactly, baby. There we go. So Peter's wire brushing some shit over here. Oh, the what is it? The mid pipe side, right? Probably. Yeah. And then we're gonna throw in the good old down pipe.
Fuck, I gotta take that off.
Where the fuck that is? Oh, it's over here. Bang bang. We're gonna throw that in, and then probably at that point we'll be calling it a night. But you can see how nice and pretty she is. One step at a time. Alright, she's slipping right on.
And no heat shield on it. I didn't rock the heat shield at all, ever.